Hey guys, welcome to a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial. This is a really cute one that I decided to do. It's not really scary Halloween looking, but more on the cute side. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my eyebrows already done, and I'm just going to clean it up. Then I'm going to put the Cool Tan concealer on my lids to give me a clean canvas. Now I'm going to take my flat concealer brush and just spread the concealer evenly across my eyelid and just blend it all out. Then I'm going to take my setting powder and just set that concealer. Then I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded palette, and I'm going to take this orange shade right here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade and just continually build it up in my transition shade. Then I'm going to take this brown right here, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. I'm going to slowly start building it up to get a really cute transition from the orange to the brown. After blending that to my liking, I'm going to take the brush with the orange again, and I'm going to blend out the edges of the brown and the orange. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease, but I'm not going to cut it all the way. I'm just doing a half cut crease today. And I'm taking this pink fluorescent shade right here. It looks pink in the palette, but it comes off as a goldish shade, as you can see. But I really didn't care that much because it still looks cute. So after finishing with that, I'm just going to put on some eyeliner, and today I'm just doing a really thin winged liner. Then I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, which is the one I always use, and I'm just putting that on. Then to start on the face, I'm going to use my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer, and I'm just going to blend that all into my skin. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 340, and I'm just going to blend that all in with my foundation brush. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to use that for my highlights. I'm putting it under my eyes, under my cheekbones, my chin, and also on my forehead. I'm going to blend it all in with my beauty blender. Now from the Black Radiance contour palette, I'm taking the contour shade, and I'm using that to contour my cheekbones to get these really high plumpy cheekbones. Then I'm going to take the Black Radiance Raspberry Baked Bronzer, and I'm going to just put that all over my cheekbones to add a pop of color. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight in the shade Molten Gold. Now I'm going to take a zipper from an old sweater that I didn't really want, and I'm going to measure that on my face to see where I should cut. And I'm just going to put some glue on that zipper, and I'm going to then put it on my face starting from my forehead, and then separating it at the bridge of my nose and making it go one side and then the other one go on another side. So now I'm just pressing it all in, and the glue that I use is lace glue for wigs. It's the Ghost Bond that I usually use, and then I'm just using a brush bottom to just press it all into my skin, and then I'm just going to cut the piece that is left over. Now I'm just going to put on some glitter glue using this brush, and I'm just going to put it all over in the middle of the zipper where I want to put the glitter after that. Now that I have applied my glue, I'm just going to use this same brush to put on some glitter, and this is just regular glitter that I bought from the beauty supply store a long time ago, but for the sake of the video I'm just going to use it. It's really cheap. It was like $1 from the beauty supply store, so yeah. I'm just going to continue putting the glitter on the bottom half of my face, and I do put it over my lips because it just makes sense to do that. But if you want, you can leave your lips out just in case you plan on talking and you don't want the glitter to like get inside of your mouth, which would be really irritating. But yeah, so after I put all of the glitter on, I'm going to go back and add a little bit of highlight on because I really want to pop the look. So I put on more highlight, and I also added more blush, and then at the end I did go and add more contour also. I'm also going to fix my eyeliner, which may have gotten messed up when I was doing my under eye highlight. So I'm just fixing the eyeliner, and then I'm going to put on some contour and then hit you guys with some slow-mos. So this is the end of the video. It was a really short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and could really try out this look for this Halloween. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.